Hello everyone! Today we'll be learning about creating QR code on a flyer using Canva QR feature. So, let's get started. I assume that you are logged in and you have opened a design page for a flyer. I've already chosen a template for the flyer and I am almost done with it. Now I will guide you how to create, connect, and place QR code for any website. Well, when you are done with your flyer or any other design, it is up to you. Select the option of Apps from the left menu. You will see that QR code application is opened in the window. Click on QR code image. Type the link of the website where you want the visitors to redirect. Next is to add your logo if you want. For this, you have to click on More Options. After that, upload your logo and it will appear on the QR code. You can choose border and pattern of the QR code. Finally, click on Add to Design. Now you can check whether your QR code is working properly or not. You can scan it using phone, and I have already checked it and it's working 100%. Now, where to apply this? You can use it on the flyers, advertisement, events, summer camps, courses, jobs ads, posters, book designs, and any other printed or digital products. Now you can download it in any format you want, and that's it. With Canva's QR code design feature, you can create professional digital or printable products with QR code for your brand or business. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!